Hi, good morning. 23rd is almost going to be end, 23rd August, and this is the today performance. It has given $11. Right now, the drawdown is only $28. These are the active trades running on, and these are the trades which has been closed today. Okay, and on 26th August, the 1 month will be going to completed for the robot on this client professional account. This is Exynos 307. I also have to explain you that how can you check on your phone regarding the performance of it. So you only have to put like manage accounts over there, and if you download MT4 from Android mobile, you have to put 9257195194 as a login ID. The server will be Exynos Real 7 and the password will be investor123 INVESTOR123 all small. Now this credential will only going to be work on a weekend, because on a weekday if my credential will be out there, anyone can do the copy trading, right? And that will be huge risk for the client privacy also. But you can always watch what is the performance this week or the upcoming week or the next week. You can always log in every week on Saturday. The credential will going to work on a Sunday evening India time. As soon as like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, I'm going to change the password again, reset the password. So investor 123 password will be going to be fixed for every weekend. Once you added your account, this account which I am given on your MT4 login on Android, don't delete it if it does not work on a weekdays. It will surely going to work on a weekend. Thank you. Let me know if you're for any queries, and definitely just how you can reach me. You can simply comment on the YouTube channel. That will be enough. The reason why I not given that directly the phone number on each and every account, the YouTube video, because you directly call on the phone and it has been completely junk out, and I am working as a professional, so my phone need to be cleared down, right? In that sense, kindly comment on the YouTube and I will provide you the phone number in that comment itself, and you can call me back or you can connect with me on the Telegram, or you can post your phone number and I can contact you, or your email ID or whatever you feel like. The best communication is a Telegram, is all because of the privacy and all. Plus it is okay, it is good form of sharing the video and the screenshot of the MT4 account which I am using and my robot. Thank you guys. I hope you're gonna like this. Please do comment on my channel on every videos if you see, and please like the videos, because the more you like, the more my videos will come on the Google High. The more subscriber I have on my robot, I'm going to get the price of this robot down as to free, because if I going to have a revenue from the YouTube, obviously I don't need to sell the robot anymore, right? Then I will provide you as free. The only thing is that I need views on the subscriber over there. Thank you.